Welcome to DBSync Cloud Replication, the fastest way to move data between any two databases automatically. Whether you're replicating from MySQL to Postgres, SQL Server to Snowflake, Oracle to Redshift, or any combination, DBSync gives you one unified platform that handles schema changes, error recovery, and incremental sync, all without writing a single line of code. In the next 5 minutes, we'll show you exactly how it works. Let's start with the reality. If you manage database replication pipelines, whether you're a DBA, a data engineer, or the one person who inherited those cron jobs, you already know. Things break. Constantly. And often at the worst time. Schema drift crashes pipelines silently. Different scripts per table create unique failure points with no unified way to monitor them all. Silent errors at 2 a.m. mean analysts find stale data the next morning. Custom scripts need constant maintenance. Unreliable pipelines erode trust in reports and dashboards. And unmanaged scripts rarely have proper audit trails when GDPR or HIPAA auditors come knocking. DBSync solves this with a single, self-healing replication engine. Auto Schema Sync detects source changes and applies them to the target automatically. Self-healing recovery handles connection errors and drift. No more 2 a.m. pages. No-code setup means point and select. Connect, choose tables, set a schedule. Incremental sync moves only changed records. Flexible scheduling runs as often as every 5 minutes. And bidirectional support enables true two-way data movement. Let's make this concrete. Without DBSync, a DBA adds a new column. The pipeline crashes overnight. Manual investigation, handwritten alter scripts, staging tests, hours of downtime. Analysts find stale data the next morning. With DBSync, the same change is detected on the very next run. Alter table is issued to the target automatically, and replication resumes. No scripts, no alerts, no downtime. That's not theoretical. That's Tuesday night, handled. Before, 6 separate tools, 6 failure points, 6 code bases. After DBSync, 1 profile, all tables, 0 failure scripts, with centralized monitoring and self-healing built in. Under the hood, DBSync runs 5 stages. Extract via JDBC or native drivers. Track changes using incremental timestamps. Schema diff to auto-issue alter table for new columns. Transform for data type mapping and filtering. And load via bulk upsert matched by primary key. 5 steps, under 45 minutes. Connect your source and target databases. Select your tables. Run the initial schema and data load. And schedule incremental sync. No code. No infrastructure to provision. We begin by creating a new profile for SQL Server to Oracle. On the source side, we configure SQL Server by entering the connection details. To ensure everything is in place, validate the connection. Next, we move to Database tab to configure our target connector. We save the connection after entering the details confirming Oracle is ready to receive data. Validate the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Let's move to the Objects page. All fields are loaded instantly. We select the required tables for replication. And you can control the sync using Include or Exclude fields option available. For the initial run, we execute a clean copy, bringing the full dataset from SQL Server into Oracle. To simulate a real-time change, let's update a record in SQL Server. You can type in query or directly modify a record on source database. Back in DBSync, we select the profile and run a source to DB incremental sync, which captures only the changes and reflects them in the target. As you can see on the log page, one record has been modified and picked up for sync. Refresh the data on target table and view the data. You will now find the updated data is reflected in Oracle. And that's how DBSync delivers reliability and speed. The results from DBSync customers are clear. A 70% reduction in manual data entry, a 40% improvement in data accuracy, and teams getting back roughly a quarter of their developer time every year. One customer put it simply, "We stabilized our SaaS app sync, recovered the cost on day 1, and redirected our time to higher value work." To see it yourself, Visit the DBSync Replication Playground for a live, no-download demo. Book a walkthrough at mydbsync.com or explore the full technical docs at docs.mydbsync.com. One pipeline, zero headaches. Your team is sleeping soundly. That's DBSync.